Squirrel is teasing bear. I don't know if you can see him. I can't get too close because if I walk over by the tree, he'll run. But he's up in there. You can barely kind of see his tail moving. Bear is at the bottom of the tree. There's Bear, or there's Jazz. Where's Bear? You hear that squirrel, Jazz? Get the squirrel. Bear, where's the squirrel? Where's the squirrel, Bear? He's teasing ya. He's teasing you, Bear. Where's the squirrel, Bear? Get him. Get the squirrel. Get the squirrel, Bear. Get the squirrel, Jazzy. Get her, Bear. Get the squirrel. Get it. Get it, Bear. What do you say to the squirrel? Get the squirrel. Get the squirrel up in the tree. He's up in there now. I can't find him, but it was pretty funny a second ago because the squirrel was right down here, as my dad would say, in the crotch of the tree, teasing Bear. Get him, Bear. Get him, Bear. Get that squirrel. Where is it, Bear? Where's the squirrel? Where's the squirrel? Is he up in the tree? Get him. Get him. Get him. I have no idea where the squirrel went, but I can hear him. Oh, there he is. There he is. Now I see it on my camera. See his tail moving up there? They're right in the middle of the picture. He's teasing Bear. Get him, Bear. Get that squirrel out of the tree, Bear. The birds are dive bombing him. Birds are chasing him, Bear. That's why. You gonna get him, Bear? Gonna get him, Bear?